Hello learners, welcome back to our channel, Speak Smooth. We are back with the second part of our video. So today we are going to learn some more words that describe human personality. Here they are. First one is charismatic. Charismatic individuals possess a compelling charm and personality that naturally attracts and influences others. Next is ambitious. Ambitious people have a strong desire for success, achievement, or power. Next is creative. Creative individuals demonstrate imagination, originality, and the ability to think in unique ways. Next is diligent. Diligent individuals exhibit persistent and conscientious effort in their work or tasks. Next is generous. Generous individuals are willing to give or share, often characterized by a readiness to help others or donate resources. Next is perceptive. Perceptive individuals display keen insight, awareness, and understanding of people, situations, or details that may not be immediately obvious. Next is reliable. Reliable individuals are consistently trustworthy, dependable, and able to be counted on. Next is resilient. Resilient individuals demonstrate the ability to recover quickly from difficult or challenging experiences and bounce back with strength. Next is tolerant. Tolerant individuals show acceptance and open-mindedness towards different beliefs, opinions, or lifestyles. Next is tolerant. Tolerant individuals show acceptance and open-mindedness towards different beliefs, opinions, or lifestyles. Let's understand these words more through conversation. Hey, I heard you got promoted. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's been quite a journey. Being ambitious and diligent definitely paid off.
Absolutely. You've always been reliable and resilient in pursuing your goals.
Well, I believe in staying committed and bouncing back from setbacks. It's essential to be both resilient and reliable in the pursuit of success.
I've also noticed your creative and perceptive nature.
Thank you. I think being creative and perceptive allows me to bring fresh ideas to the table.
That's true. Your charisma and ability to engage with others make you a natural leader. Keep up the fantastic work.
Thank you. I appreciate your kind words. I'll continue to strive for excellence and make a positive impact.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that like button below. And remember to subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Once again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.